Hi guys, in this tutorial I will learn you how to make sunburst effect in Photoshop. So subscribe us for more tutorials. Go to object selection tool and make it selection of object. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it. After that go to rectangle tool and make it rectangle tool. Then close fill object and open the stroke. After that follow these settings. Then go to layer panel and right click rasterize layer. Then Ctrl T and set it position. Press enter. Then Ctrl J to duplicate it and go to filter, blur, then Gaussian blur. Then hold shift and Ctrl G to group it. Then go to gradient map and follow the setting. And set it radial style. Then right click to clipping mask, create clipping. Then hold shift and Ctrl G. Again Ctrl J to duplicate it and go to blending option, linear dog effect. Then Ctrl J again duplicate and fill lower opacity. Then click original layer and make a layer and select a blending mode to soft, then lower opacity of fill. After that hold alt and select color and press B to select bush and set a flow and make it some bush around the object. So after that, that's it. Follow us for more tutorial and subscribe us for more tutorial. Thanks for watching.